So the first thing which I'm actually going to do is create a new snippet, right? Then I'm going to give it a name called BMI. So the BMI is going to be calculating what the body mass index for a person. So I'm going to create a function, right? A function name called BMI calcu, right? More calculator. This one is going to accept like two inputs, right? Which is the weight of the person, right? And what's the height of the person, just like that. Then I'm gonna put in some curly brackets. Is it curly brackets? Yeah. Then I'm gonna create a variable name called BMI, which is kind of different from the function name. Then I'm gonna say all the values which I'm gonna write on the right side of the screen are gonna be imported into what the BMI. So I'm gonna say weight what divided by what by height, right? Height to the power what 2, right? Just like this. But then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a certain function which is found in JavaScript called math.pow, which means it's gonna take the base what and the exponential values. So where the base will be maybe y, my height is 1.7, exponential will be what 2. So it's gonna say base to the power 2 and the figure will be find out. Then I'm gonna put a semicolon here, just like this. Then I'm gonna return what the file of BMI, which is gonna be printed whenever we call this function out. Then outside I'm gonna call the function. So I'm gonna say a BMI calculator, and I'm going to now input the values which I want. So there's the weight, which is 70 kgs, and the height, which is in meters, 1.7, exactly, just like that. Then I'm gonna put this. Then I'm gonna come on my snippet project name. Then I'm gonna click where it says run, and if you go below the screen, right, you can see there is the body mass index for me, 24.22.